Good morning, children. This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, as in the previous video, we had a discussion on the external angle sum properties and inter angle sum properties. The last explanation was, as far I can recall, that was on extra angle, how to find extra angle. The formula was 360 degree divided by number of sides equal to the measure of each exterior angle. Children, I'm again repeating my word. How to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 degree divided by number of sides. If you divide 360 degree by number of sides, the number of sides of that regular polygon results the measure of each exterior angle of that particular polygon. So children, as I had explained that why we are using 360 degree in that particular formula, because when we are constructing a polygon, it tends to be, it's pretty similar to a circle, as it's going to be more likely to a circle. That's why the measure of each exterior angle, if you want to find, you have to divide 360 degree with number of sides of that particular polygon. So now here in this particular video, we are going to discuss about from exercise 3.2. As we can see, as you can see, I have drawn some figures on my copy. These figures are, in this particular, the first question of that particular figure is 125 degrees one exterior, 125 is one exterior, and there is one more exterior angle is given. So children, how we can find the measure of this particular value of x? We have many processes. I'm teaching you the easiest one. So if it is 125 degree, the interior angle will be 65, because it's forming a linear pair, because it's on a straight line. So if it is 125 degree, this one, the measure of this angle will be 65 degree. Similarly, if the measure of this exterior is 125, the inside angle will be, or interior angle will be 65 degree. Now, I have got 65, I have got 65. If you want to find the measure of x, remember we in class 7 we have done. If you want to find the exterior angle, that is a sum of two opposite interior angles. The measure of this angle x is 65 plus 65, that is 130 degree. That is 130 degree. Because if it is 130 degree, inside the angle will be 50. So if you add 65, 65, 50, check it out, what happens is, how much comes? 65, 65, 65, 65 plus 50 results 180 degree. Means it's forming a triangle. 5, 5, 10 plus 0 is 0, 1. 6, 6, 12, 12 plus 5 is 70 plus 180 is 180 degree. This is how we find the measure of each extra angle. The value of x, which is given in this particular figure. In the next figure, like as we can see, here is an angle. Outside is 90 degree. So obviously inside's angle or interior angle will be 90 degree. Now, as it's forming a linear pair, if this extra is 70, this one is going to be 110, because as it's forming a linear pair. By using simple rules, prefer to use simple rules to get these answers. If it is 60, inside interior angle will be 120 degree. If the measure of this angle is, and now as we can see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 sides. Children, remember, we have used, if I find one interior angle, then easily I can find the value of this x. As one interior angle is not mentioned here, which is the linear pair of x, that particular angle is not mentioned here. If you want to find this angle, just use that formula to get the sum of all interior angles. The formula was number of sides. There are 5 sides, minus 2 into 180, that is 3 into 180, this is 540. You got the value of all these angles, sum of all these angles is 540 degree. Now how to find, children? Now use the linear equation process. 90 plus 110 plus 120. Now this one 1 2 3 4 5. So here if I get this particular angle 90 plus 90 120 110, you will get the sum is equal to 540. You can consider this angle as y if you want to get for your preference. If you want to get it more easier for considerations, you can consider this angle as y. From the 540 you can make out this angle. Use simple process. Now question number 2 is about find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. I have to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Children, there is a figure, a regular polygon of 9 sides. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 sides. What is the measure of each exterior angle? The formula which I have mentioned, that is the measure of each exterior is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. 360 by number of sides. So I'll write 360 divided by number of sides. How many sides are there? There are 9 sides. Just divide it. 40. So the measure of each exterior is 40 degree, 40 degree, 40 degree, 40 degree, like this, 40 degree. The measure of all exterior is 40 degree. Next is saying 15 sides. Same process. 360 divided by 15. 360 divided by 15. If you divide 360 degree by 15, you will get the the measure of each exterior angle of that particular polygon. This way we get an answer. Now in question number 3 it's written that how many sides of a regular polygon have each exterior of 24 degree. Now it's in a reverse order. Given a bit of twist in this question. Now you are given the measure of exterior angle and you have to find the number of sides. Children, same thing. Let the number of sides, we don't know, that is x. Let the number of sides is equal to x. We know that measure of exterior angle, each exterior angle is equal to 360 by number of sides. So each exterior, it's already given 24 degree. 24 degree is equal to 360 by x. Because the number of sides is unknown to us, we have considered x is equal to x. So go for a cross multiplication. 24 into x equal to 360 degree. X equal to 360 by 24. Let's go for a division. 12, 180, 12 1 is 12, 6, 5. There are 15 sides. There are 15 sides in this particular figure. Similar question, children. How many sides of a regular polygon have it measures of each exterior angle? Acha. Now there is a polygon. I don't know how many number of sides of that polygon have, but the measure of each interior is already 165. So children, if I consider, suppose the figure is like this. Suppose the figure is something like that. This is a rough figure which I'm drawing right now, just to make you understand. each exterior is 165. If the measure of each interior, I'm sorry, slip of tongue. If the measure of each interior is 165, what is going to be the measure of each exterior? As we know that it forms a linear pair. So each interior is, if it is 165, exterior is going to be 180 minus 165. 180 minus 165, that is 15. That is 15 degree. The measure of each exterior is 15 degree. I already got the measure of each exterior is 15 degree. So children, if I got the measure of each exterior is 15 degree, can we find the number of sides now? Of course we can. We will use the same process. We don't know the number of sides. We will consider x and we will write in this way. 15 degree is equal to 360 by x. I'm repeating my word once again. 15 degree is equal to 360 by x. Now from here get the value of x. If you just like the process which I have shown right now in this particular question, question number 3, similar process to be used. Now children, we are going to deal with something which is related to parallelogram. The very first property of a parallelogram is to understand that what is parallelogram. Parallelogram have many properties which we have learned little bit of parallelogram in class 7. Their opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are also equal. That is called a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a figure in which there are opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So children, I'm giving you some tasks to find this from exercise 3.3. You will try out this and I will be continuing from the exercise 3.3. Till then, thank you children. Thank you so much.